You have a plan, but you don't know how to execute it. The first thing you need to know about the plan is that your plan should have realistic goals. If your plan doesn't have any realistic goal and your plan includes making or inventing a super serum and creating Captain America for India, stop this video right now. So yeah, first thing is to make your goals realistic so that you can actually execute it. Now I'm going to give you some points which I use to execute my plans. This is not surefire, but it works for me, so it might work for you as well. First step is make the plan simple to understand. If you cannot describe your plan or your goals, trust me, it's not worth executing. Step 2 is write down your actions. Now these might be the checkpoints or your milestones. They're smaller things which you can achieve. Writing it down is very important because that's how your mind works. Do you know why we write anything when we are giving an exam? Because when we are writing something down, our mind is hardwired to describe that writing action to be very important. So write it down. Third step is put someone in charge. Now it can be you, but if your plan needs more people, then put someone in charge of one task. Put second person in charge of second task, and that's how you divide your tasks to people. And now it's their responsibility to execute them. Now fourth step is you need feedbacks. Feedbacks are the most important thing when you are doing anything. So after achieving every milestone, you ask for feedbacks. Now feedback can be given by your friends, family, your critics, social media, memers. It can be anybody, but you need those feedbacks to know if your product or your plan actually works in the real world or not. Fifth step is make sure you have all necessary resources. Now resource is a noun which can be a person, place or thing. If you need someone, that is a resource. If you want something, that is a resource. If you need some place, that is a resource. Every person in your team, every equipment you use to execute your plan, that is a resource. And you need to make sure that you have those resources. Next and the final step is listen to complaints. Now I know many people are afraid of these complaints, but that is the best part of any product or any plan. That's how you make your plan better. That's how you execute your plan better. When you take those complaints as the suggestions, the whole thing is changed, man. Now you have something to work on. Remember we talked about feedbacks? Now you have to work on those feedbacks, and it's time for you to do it. And that is how you execute a plan.